Yo, what's up guys, we're back at it. I am at the river of the Rio Grande here, and I've got to show you my necklace mount here. Now if you're doing any vlogging on a bicycle or motorcycle or whatever, it's better than having the chin mount, because whenever you move your head, the camera moves regardless of how good the image stabilization is. This one, you wear it on your chest, and regardless if you're moving left or right, it stays in the center. It's also flexible. Look, you can mold it to any shape you want. So if you want to wear it higher, you can wear it higher up, or you can elongate it to make it longer. Now it has a magnet mount, and then you lock it in there, so it's really secure. It's not going nowhere. It does use the classic GoPro mounting. This is with my Ace Pro. I had to buy a separate attachment for the Ace Pro, but if you need a great action camera mount, I'd recommend it. My echo here is huge from the acoustics, but look at that. It's sweet. I'll put a link down below. You need one. Bye bye. Love you.